Hi everyone, this is Bharti Goyal. Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be doing a short prenatal yoga routine that you can safely do to prevent and treat lower back pain during pregnancy. Before starting any workout routine during pregnancy, make sure that you have a clearance from your doctor to practice the same. You will need a chair and a yoga belt or a scarf for this practice. Once you are ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. We'll start by coming into a standing position. Bring your feet hip distance apart with toes pointing forward. Distribute your weight evenly on all the four corners of the feet. Make sure your lower back is not overextended, which tends to happen in pregnancy. So tuck your tailbone slightly down towards the feet. Pull the navel in. Elongate the spine, roll the shoulders back. Bring the hands on either sides and look forward. We'll start with 3 rounds of Tarasana. So as you inhale, extend both the arms up, stretching up, and get a nice vertical stretch throughout the body, and stay for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly come back. We'll do it 2 more times. Inhale, extend both the arms up, and if you're comfortable, you can interlace the fingers and slowly come up onto your toes and stay for 3, 2, 1. And slowly come down with control. Last time. Inhale, extend up, interlace the fingers and stretch up. Stay for 3, keep breathing. 2 and 1, and slowly come down and relax. Next, we'll get into a side stretch. As you inhale, extend the left arm up and stretch towards the right side, looking up towards the ceiling. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, come back. Inhale, extend the right arm up and stretch to the left. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Come back. We'll do it once more. Inhale, stretch up and to the right. And come back. Inhale, stretch up to the left. And come back and relax. Now let's get close to the chair. Bring both your hands on the back of the chair. Keep your feet more than hip distance apart. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, start walking back to come into half downward dog. Let's keep the knees slightly bent initially, keeping the back long and pressing the chest towards the floor. Let's stay here. 3, 2, keep breathing into your lower back, and 1, and slowly come back. We'll do it once more. Inhale, exhale, start walking back, coming into an L-shaped position in half downward dog. And this time, if you want, you can start straightening just one knee and then the other. Let's just paddle the knees a few times in downward dog. Keep breathing through the stretch you feel in your lower back, hips, and the back of the thighs and calves. One last deep breath. And then slowly come back in. Now we'll get into a chair pigeon pose. So let's sit down onto the chair. Bring the left ankle over the right knee. Keep the left foot flexed so that the toes point towards the left knee. Bring the left hand over the left knee. We are going to inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, bend forward slightly, pushing the left knee down gently with the left hand. You should be getting a stretch on the outside of the left thigh and hip. Let's stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come back, and let's do it for the other side. Bring the right ankle over the left knee. Keep the right foot flexed. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come back and relax. And now let's get down onto the mat. So let's come into a tabletop position with hands under the shoulders and knees below the hips. Keep the knees hip distance apart. Spread the fingers wide, distributing the weight evenly on all the 4 corners of the palms. We're going to get into a cat-cow stretch. As you inhale, gently extend the spine and look up. Exhale, tuck the tailbone in, curl the spine and bring the chin to the chest. Again, inhale, extend up. Exhale, curl down, creating space between each vertebrae. 3 more times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last time. And slowly come back to center. From here, we are going to take our hips side to side. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, look towards the left hip, creating a C shape with the left side of the body. Inhale, center. Exhale, look to the right and center. So let's do this side to side movement 5 times. Last time. Come back to center and push the hips back to come back to Vajrasana. From here, we'll get into Janushi Shasna. So you will need your yoga belt or scarf for this. Extend the right leg straight out, folding the left knee, bringing the left heel close to the perineum. Grab your yoga belt. Loop the belt around the right foot. As you inhale, extend the spine. As you exhale, fold forward gently, pulling the belt back so that your toes point towards your face. And let's stay here for 3, 2, and 1. And come back. And let's do it for the other side. Take the left leg forward. Loop the belt around the left foot. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward, pulling the belt back, breathing into the stretch in the back of the left leg. For 3, 2, and 1. And relax. From here, open again to the right side, and we'll get into Parivritta Janushi Shasana. So bring the right hand on the inside of the right shin, hand on the outside of the left hip. Inhale, extend the left arm up. Exhale, bend to the right. Keep the right foot flexed so that the toes point to the ceiling. Take a breath here and come back. We'll do it 2 more times. Inhale, extend up. Exhale, bend to the right. Keep the spine long, breathing into the stretch on the left side of the body. Come back, last time. Inhale up, exhale, bend. And come back. Bring the left hand onto the mat and then extend the right arm up to get a nice counter stretch. And come back to center, and let's do it for the other side. Extend the left leg out. Bring the left hand on the inside of the left shin. Inhale, extend the right arm up. Exhale, bend to the left. Come back 2 more times. Inhale up, exhale, bend. Come back, last time. Come back, bring the right hand down and extend the left arm up. Stay for 3, 2, 1. And come back to center. Finally, we'll end by getting into child's pose. So you can do this with the chair. Come into Vajrasana, keeping your knees wide. Bring both the hands onto the chair. If sitting in Vajrasana seems uncomfortable, you can keep a cushion under your bums. As you inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, start folding forward and bring the forehead onto the chair to come into child's pose. And let's stay here for 5 deep breaths. Keep breathing into your hips and your lower back. Inhale, feeling the belly expanding towards the mat. Exhale, feel the belly coming in towards the spine. One last deep breath in and out. And slowly come up and relax. So let's come into an easy cross-legged sitting position. We'll finish the practice with an Om chant. Bring the hands in Chin Mudra on the knees. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently bring the hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Bring the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Gently pat the entire face with the hands and bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this practice. I'll see you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.